Good morning YouTube squad. Today's Friday, second day of Romics April edition, and I am Dva Harley Quinn. Wearing this cosplay, I had to remove the pink hair dye and it took so much, but yeah, feels good to get my Harley hair again. As usual, headphones, gun and suit are from AliExpress, and these are no pair of boots because I actually broke my Lauren cosplay Harley Quinn replica boots. Anyway, today I am completely alone, so let's see if I can find someone. Guardate chi ho incontrato! Newt! L'hai fatto tu questo?
Sì. Tranne questo ho comprato.
Oddio che carino, non l'avevo visto!
Ticket!
Hi guys, we're sitting and chilling, and this is the lipstick I'm using today. A good alternative to MAC Review. Here we are. Again. It's always closed, but why? I need to take pictures. And day 2 is over, guys. I didn't film it as much as I wanted, but it's okay. It's a vlog anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, remember to like, subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, and see you in my last Romics day, where I'm going to bring my new cosplay. I'm so happy. Bye.